2011 Nissan Titan V8 Blacked Out Edition. Got factory converters there and there. Then it's true dual from the factory. And what we did, continued that true dual right there. No X pipe, nothing. And then put FLOWMASTER Super 10s, two of them, a pair of them. And then we did it out the side. Man, I can't talk this morning, sorry guys. With black 4-inch angle cut tips right there. So it's out the side in front of the tire. Like that. There it is, FLOWMASTER Super 10s. Right there. 2013 Nissan Titan V8 5.6 liter. What we got done on it. Comes already true dual from the factory. Comes with 4 catalytic converters. One here, one here, one right there, and one right there. Then it comes with 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, and we put a cherry bomb dual in, dual out muffler on it. Right there. And 2 1/4 tailpipes, mandrel bent. All the way back. There and there. Into 4-inch double walled stainless steel tips. Right there. And right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the muffler. 2005 Nissan Titan 5.6 liter V8. Awesome truck. Still got factory converters there and there. Then what we did was widen into a single. We don't like that. So what are we gonna do? True dual. Duals, baby. True duals into something different. The customer brought his own mufflers. They're the Banks Monster, part number 53962. 2 of them. Just make sure you guys, if you do true duals on them, make sure you get them in 2.5, not 3-inch, because we have to expand them to make them fit. So just, you know, makes it a little bit easier on the muffler shop. And then we got 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side into 4-inch tips rolled. There's the Banks Monster FLOWMASTERs. Oh, Monsters, sorry. Banks Monster mufflers. He said he heard them on a truck of his friends and he loved them, so he went and bought some so we can put them on. And there's the boxes for him. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. I think it's gonna sound good. There they are. Let you guys hear the sound decibels on it again. One more. 113. Woo. 113. Go on, bring it back. Not bad at all, not too shabby. That's what cherry bomb sounds like. This is what it registers. Again. It's about 107, 110 decibels. Not bad at all. Banks Monsters. It's tilting now. Look. Do it again. It's different. I like it. Again. That one is not working for some reason. Again. Like 94, 95. It's not too loud. So it won't drone too much inside, which is a good thing. And it probably they'll probably take a break-in period too.
Yeah.
Get a little bit louder. What do you think?
All I needed to hear.
You like them?
Sounds great, man.
Heck yeah.
Sounds great.
Banks Monsters. If you guys want, we'll hopefully have a link in the description for them if we find them. Go ahead. Yeah, the more it's warming up, the sound is changing. One more? Yeah, it's changing. Tell us what you guys think. I think it sounds good. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. FLOWMASTER Super 10. So loud. Nissan Titan. Nissan Titan, 5.6 liter with a Banks Monster system. True duals. Hopefully he gets on it. He said he will. Let's see. It's definitely different. It's deeper.